channel. Today I'm doing my Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus unboxing for June. And I have an Ipsy offer as well, so let's just get into that first. This is my Ipsy offer. This was a $20 little set. It's from Define Me perfumes. They're like perfume oils. One is called Audrey and one is called Sophia Isabel. I've always been curious about these, but they're always, featured. But they are a little bit expensive, so when I saw that this little set was $20, I'm like, yes. So this one is Sophia Isabel. Sophia Isabel is a free spirit who embraces life with confidence. Notes of mandarin, blackcurrant, jasmine, and sugar. So that's this one. And this one is Audrey. Audrey is empowered by love and believes it is always the answer. Notes of jasmine, peony, rose, and sandalwood. I think these can be blended together or you can wear them separately. So, yeah, these are cute. These are really nice. Here's a picture of the package. So I got that on my Ipsy offers. I don't go under that often because, well, let's do my Ipsy Glam Bag first. So this is the Glam Bag for June. Then the theme is Tetris. See a little Tetris blocks here, and then there's a little Tetris tassel there. These two were, okay, I'll get into my add-ons in a second. Let me just pull out what's in the bag. Okay, that was the add-on. I don't know. Everybody gets cards with stuff on theirs. Mine never has anything except useless information, so whatever. First thing is Sunday's nail polish in number 13. So what color is this? And it's a red. So that'll be pretty. Next is Tetris times Ipsy lip gloss. The packaging is so cute. What color is this? Oops. It's called Matrix, I think. Yeah. Sorry. This is in the shade Matrix. So, it's a cute little lip topper. Just throw that away. Don't need that anymore. Next is Hey Honey Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. Looks nice. Supposed to restore the appearance of dull skin impacted by environmental factors. I'm all congested today because there is a fire going on. It's burned, I want to say, like 50,000 acres or something. I don't know. But it's reaching Queen Valley, which is right on the other side of Gold Canyon, which isn't very far from Apache Junction if you live in Arizona. So the Superstition Mountains have been blanketed with smoke and ash. So it's been bothering everyone's allergies, not just at my house, but at work, and yeah, it's not been pretty. It's not been fun. So, this is First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Primer. I've always liked FabFitFun, First Aid Beauty stuff, so happy to have that. And lastly is Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. Now I've tried this before. It was in a glossy box. It was okay. I mean, wasn't my favorite, but I'll use it again. So, there's my 5 things, and here's my add-ons. I have Delectable Butter Wash Body Polish in the Triple Citrus Blend. Should be fun. Then I have the Tetris x Ipsy Lip Balm in the shade Mad Skills. Here's a little package that's cute. Here's what it looks like. Oh, it's purple in the middle. That's cool. Purple in the middle. He's in the bedroom. On Grandma's chair. And then I got this full-size Huda Liquid Matte in the shade Sugar Mama. So that is it for my glam bag. Let's get into my plus bag.
He thinks he can get in the
Bright yellow.
he thinks he can get in the window where the air conditioner is.
Show the kitty.
Here's the kitty. Here's the kitty.
There's
This is our baby.
Morris.
This is our baby. He's a good boy.
He's good.
He's just a curious kitten. He's only 2. The baby.
This theme is, like I said before in the glam bag, it's called Block Party. It's a Tetris theme. Here's a little booklet. First thing I'm pulling out is these fair brushes. These look kind of nice. I have so many brushes though, I don't know. I might be passing these on. Let's see, those retail for $50. Really? No. I don't think so. Let's see. This is the Generation Clay Urban Defense Purifying Pink Clay Mask. That retails for, where are you? That retails for $39. Okay. Then we have the Tetris x Ipsy. Which one did I get? Game On. My shadow palette. It's green one. I think they have a purple one too, but I got the green one. And here's,
Somebody knows you like purple. It's your favorite color.
there's the shades there. I'll swatch them for you. There's all the shades there. We got Game Changer, Game Day, Game Night, Stack It Up, Block Party, and this blue one is Game Over. That's a pretty nice little palette. A Tetris x Ipsy palette. So how much is that worth? the Tetris times Ipsy palette was worth $24. Let's see, next is the Trestique matte color plus shiny lip balm crayon. I think I had one of these before. This one is in Belize Bordeaux. That one retails for $25. There's the color there. And the last thing we got in here is the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream, which retails for $65. So I'll get on to my add-ons. I have 2 pharmacy masks. I got the brightening coconut gel sheet mask and hydrating coconut gel sheet mask. Then I have another Tetris times Ipsy lip balm. I thought I got the other one that they were advertising, but I ended up getting a second Mad Skills, so I'll put that in a giveaway. And then my last add-on is Sweet Honey Bear Face Mask. I think there's a different one in here. Let's see. I got the Sweet Honey Bear Face Mask and the Look at Me Raccoon Face Mask. Mom's laughing at me because of my face masks.
Look at me, raccoon.
Well, it's Korean. I don't know. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed my unboxing. Subscribe if you have not. Click that bell if you want notifications from me. Give me a thumbs up if you like these types of videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.